places don't just exist on the map. They exist in your heart long before you ever arrive. Here in the Maldives, we stand on the edge of the unknown. Not to escape life, but to feel alive again. The moment your body enters the water, the world above disappears, and you hear only your heartbeat and the ocean welcoming you in. And then, it happens. A moment fear and beauty collide. We grow up believing sharks are danger. But here, in this silent world, they teach us something different. But teach us that fear is a story we write. And courage is the moment we rewrite it. Just one of them is not just a memory. It's a shift inside your soul. You realize how gentle the misunderstood can be, how graceful the feared can move, how peaceful the wild can feel. The nurse shark does not roar, it whispers. Its message is simple. Do not be afraid of what you do not understand.